This conference will now be recorded.
So, hi, good evening, all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So, today we'll talk about WordPress. This is another platform for creating a website. So, WordPress. So, people will ask you, or people will come in asking that what will be the exact platform of WordPress and how it's going to be working. So, WordPress is a free and open source CMS. So CMS stands for Content Management System, WP. So WordPress short form is WP. So WP is a free and open source CMS, content management system. So using this, we have some other tools, but this is going to be taking first place among the CMS platform, WordPress, and which is used for creating website. Okay, you might be asking, sir, last time also we created a website, and this time also we are going to creating website, but what is the differences? So yesterday I've completely explained about what is the differences between WordPress website and Google site website. So check out that notes which I've already shared that in the WhatsApp group. So because of that facility, if you like to go, then you can make use of this content, so used for creating websites and also the blogs. It is highly popular due to its user friendly interface. So due to its user friendly interface and also flexibility and extensive range of plugins. You'll be have lot of plugins and also themes. And we talk about history or and about founders, about WordPress and all. So WordPress was released on May 27th, 2003, and the founders Matt Mullenweg and Mike Little. These are the two persons they started this. And there will be a question, sir, what are the main reasons to become popularity? So there are so many reasons for popularity. So number one, easy to use. Number two, flexibility and also customization. Number three, there will be a community supports. You'll get a lot of community supports, like large active community providing supports and updates and also contributions in the community supports. And you have a flexibility and customizations, like thousands of plugins and themes available for extending the functionality of your website, customizing the look of your website, or so on and so on. And when we talk about that intuitive interfaces, like graphical user interfaces that allows the users to little technical knowledge to create and manage your websites. So it means not much required in detail concept of the technical. So only the basic knowledge is enough to handle it. Okay, that is the main reason. And also the fourth point, if I would like to tell, like SEO friendly. Built-in features in the plugins that would help you to optimize and also website to search in the search engine automatically, that takes that SEO, search engine optimization, which is having its own features in the plugins itself, then that is taking you to the first rank or second rank in this searching area. Then second thing, fifth one is scalability. So the scalability is suitable for small blocks and also large corporate companies. It's very, very important. So make ensure that which is going to be suitable. So suitable, WordPress is suitable for small blogs and large corporate companies websites, large corporate websites. And the sixth point is open source. So it is free to use and modify and encouraging innovations and collaborations. So this open source, the plugins are not freely available, so that we have to pay for that. Okay. Then next, behind this WordPress CMS, we have some technologies are behind of this area. We can talk about technologies behind WordPress. So number one, there will be a PHP. So PHP is one of the technology. This is the main core programming language used for developing WordPress. So WordPress is developed in the programming called PHP. So PHP is a core programming language which is used for developing this WordPress. And next we have MySQL. So this is your database management system, DBMS. So the DBMS used to store site data. Whatever data is going to store in the website, that comes to database. Then next we have one more technology, HTML, then CSS. So HTML, CSS for structuring and styling web page. That I will give you one example how this is going to be working. Okay. But whenever you have a website, so that website must have HTML and CSS. So this is the backbone of the entire web page. So if there is no HTML concept, then we cannot able to construct or structure the website. Okay, this is the main area where HTML and CSS is going to working for the structuring and styling of your web pages, even whatever content you have. Okay. And next we have one more called as JavaScript technology. So JavaScript for adding interactive elements to websites. So if there is interactive elements to added for your website, then you must have a JavaScript programming language. That is a technology which has been already implemented. And next you have REST API, application interfaces. So this going to be allows WordPress to interact with other applications and services. And next one more we have a jQuery. So jQuery is a JavaScript library used in WordPress themes and plugins for easier scripting. So whatever I am writing here, everything is working automatically. So using some elements, the moment if you using elements and structuring the web pages, then behind of this automatically that JavaScript, jQuery then HTML and CSS and PHP, MySQL, everything is working and generating the code for creating the web pages using this WordPress platform. Is it clear? So this is all about this main content of this area. And WordPress continues to develop and also evolve with regular updates and also contributions from developers worldwide. So maintaining its position as a leading CMS platform. Clear? Is there any doubts? So might be there will be a one more question, sir. What are the other CMS platforms to create a web pages other than WordPress? Correct, right? If I don't like the WordPress to create and manage, so I'll be talking about only about CMS. So content management CMS are the software platform so that allows users to create and also manage and modify digital content digital content on websites, so without needing specialized technical knowledge. Means coding system is not required when you use CMS. So they provide a user friendly interface for organizing and also publishing content. Whatever content you put, then everything is going to be organizing within the frame, so that we can create, manage and modify the digital content, all visual contents on your websites, so which allow you to create without any coding knowledge. That is your CMS. So one of that is WordPress. So CMS, like WordPress is most widely used globally, and flexibility we have and vast ecosystems and a lot of plugins and themes are available and mainly used for creating the blogs, then business websites, e-commerce stores, news sites. Okay, anything you take, so most of them which is created in WordPress only. And second one is Joomla. So this is also one of the CMS platform. So flexible CMS with robust content management capabilities and also having a large extensions library which uses corporate websites, online magazines, e-commerce. So that also the people will be choosing. And Drupal, there's another platform for creating CMS websites. So highly flexible and also scalable CMS suitable for the complex website require that extensive customizations like government websites, educational institutions websites, then large enterprises. They used to have Drupal, and next they used to go for one more CMS, so Magento. So this is also a powerful platform for e-commerce, specially designed for creating online stores like e-commerce website of all the sizes. So they'll be prefer this website, means the CMS. And when we talk about the fifth one, you heard about this Shopify. So this is also one of the platform hosted in the e-commerce platform that simplifies the process of settings and also managing online stores. So there itself we can prepare. And next we have a Wix. So this Wix is also popular to create a website. So website builder and drag and drop functionality and suitable for users, no coding experiences for small businesses and websites, small business websites, portfolio, personal websites. If you are planning, then Wix is also greater. And the seventh one, if I take Squareface, so Space, so is user friendly platform which is focuses on, which is going to be focuses on design and varieties of templates and creative professionals and portfolios for small businesses. They used to have this particular platform. And next, eighth one, if I take, so typo 3, this is also one of the platform in the CMS enterprise level CMS, known it for the flexibility, scalability, and suitable for the large organization. So most of the corporate websites and intranet websites and government websites, if you wanted to do, so this is going to be suitable. So like typo 3. Then ninth one, if I take, the name is Ghost. So there's a modern CMS designed primarily for professional publishing, also the blogging, the blogs, online publications, newsletters. So that and all can be created in that. Then Concrete 5. So this is also one of the CMS within the user friendly and also graphical editing interfaces, making it easier for the users managing the content directly in the web page, on the web pages. And most of the businesses websites, educational institutions websites, and non-profit company or non-profit websites, if they plan, they can go for this platform. So these are the topmost 10 CMS software platforms. So in that, we are we are we are studying about only WordPress. So once if you understand that WordPress, then easy to work for other rest of this platform also. So each CMS platform has its own strength, and also it is suited for the different types of websites and also user needs. So the choice of the CMS depends upon the specific requirement and also the project. So the project size and project requirement, and what project is going to be demanding, so customers needed, then business needed. So we have to understand that. So based on that, we have to choose the CMS platform and we can go for that. So we have to specific requirement will be there to select this CMS platform. Ensure that customizations option and also scalability and support community, so which are available in this area. Clear, right? Any doubts? So one is the basic requirement like HTML and CSS. Asking that HTML, what is HTML now? When you know concept of HTML, then easy to understand that web page content or whatever you have. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language used to create and structure the content on web page. Used to create and structure content on the web, and it defines the structure of web pages using a series of elements and also tags. Example for elements and tags. So if I take like this HTML, so these are the example. This HTML is itself one of the tag element, okay, and body. I will show you this practically, okay. Then P for paragraph, then A for attributes, okay. So HTML uses these tags, so to denote the different parts of a web page. Each tag typically has an opening and closing tags. So closing tag, example, if I start like this, okay, you have to write some of the content here and you have to close like this. So this is open and close. Then there will be a concept in this attributes. Attributes is nothing but tags can have attributes that provides additional information about the elements. Might be asking, sir, give me one example. Example like this way. So A H ref colon, I'll be taking double inverted comma https colon backward slash example.com, then taking this link link, again taking this A. So just have a look once. This is an example of attributes. Is it clear? When you specify, so specifies the URL for a link. This is an additional information this is going to be providing in this area. Next, if I talk about a document structure, when we talk about a document structure, HTML document, HTML document starts with HTML with a what I can say doc type. So like this. So doc type. HTML like this. Whenever you start writing or creating a HTML document, that has to start in this way, and that contains nested elements within the HTML. If you wanted to create head, so start with head, then put a body. So these are the tags. We talk about the content types now. So when we talk about the content types, HTML can include text, images, links, lists, tables, forms, and multimedia like audio and video. You have seen these many content types in the Google site, how you have added, how you have taken forms, tables, so on, so on. So, but if you are writing parallelly in the code, then these many things is required. Then when we talk about CSS, so cascade style sheets, cascading style sheets. If you wanted to give effects, then this CSS language is required. It means presentation of the document written in HTML or XML. So in that way we can use this CSS. So CSS style sheet language. CSS, what it is? It is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML or XML, extended markup language. Then what is going to controls? Very, very important. It controls the layout, then colors, fonts, and overall appearance of web page. Clear? So selectors, property values, cascading systems, so on, so on. So now I will send you some code. So just for example, I am sharing these two code in the WhatsApp group. So just you check out. So what I'll be doing is I'm copying this code, open one notepad like this and paste it here. So go to save as, you write home page, home.html like this, and save as, select all files, and you create one folder here, name that as MCC web. So just you press enter key. I created one folder and I'm saving this. So now the code is saved, means the page is converted into web page. Then again I'm going to take one more code here from the list. So just I'm copying this and again taking one more, paste it. So in this case, so you have to choose that extension in different platform, means not in HTML platform. So do not use .html, so use .css, home.css. Just you save it again. Okay, so now how can I open now? So go to this web, MCC web. So look at this, the page is created, means the web page is created. So right click here, open with Google Chrome, have a look once. So there's the content. Understood, right? So just it is a small example. So using those code we have done. Is there any doubts? So might be asking, sir, do we have a source code of this area also? So whatever the data or web page, what you are saying, here also we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery. So all the technologies code also integrated in this platform. Then how I can see that? So very simple. So right click on the web page, whichever you have opened, and there is an option called as view source code. So just you open this and could you able to see here what is this exactly? .html. So started and ended, this is what I said. And head, so it is started and closed. So look at somewhere it is closed, the head portions. Okay, then this is one of the attributes what I said. Okay, then this is the script, JavaScript concept. Okay, then this is the body. So inside the body you have a script again. Is it clear? And even if you open any website, NIDM something like this, if I click some website and if I wanted to see the code, okay, so just right click, go to view source code, and you can see lot of codes here. Can you able to see? This is what I would like to conveying you. But if you are a programmer, you can customize the things as requires. And see this about .asp. So this is created in ASP. Okay, so ASP platform, and look at this UL unlisted. This is the coding block, means a coding block. And look at this HTML. Inside that body you have, okay. But if you are looking for one more example, so that I can give you one source code, I will do copy and paste you in the group. So only for example purpose to understand how HTML is important. So not only HTML and CSS, you have all the technologies, whatever I've listed there. So check once, did you receive that code? That is HTML code. Now again I'm sending CSS code now. So what you have to do is just do copy paste to get the output of that area. So what I'll do is, again I'll start copying this. So do copy, open it, and saving this home page 1.html, then select, save it. So this is the coding part is created here, home page. Next you select, means from the WhatsApp whatever I have shared you. So again select that CSS block. So select the CSS code and go to notepad and take a new document and paste it and save it as home 1.css, and select this save as, click save now. So now both the things are created. Again you come back. So I have done this. Right click on home 1, open with Google Chrome. And could you able to see here? So this just, it is an output of that area. So if I click home, about, services, contact, it means you have to create another page and you have to link it. So when it is linked, then only that will take that functions and start working that. Okay, so you have to write that much of code, having that experiences. Okay, and once if you learn properly in the coding part of all the technologies whatever I've written here, 1 minute. So whatever I've written here, where is that? So like PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS3, and JavaScript, REST API, jQuery. Okay, so beyond of all the technologies, when you work, then easily you can, however you want, you can control that. You can play around the website and web pages also. But sir, if I don't have a knowledge, then how can be done? So this is the reason we are into WordPress now. Clear? So now we'll take that for infinity free. So this is what I yesterday I was planning to explain. The first you click on infinity free web hosting with PHP with MySQL. So website is saying free website hosting. You can register here now. So already I've registered. So I'll directly go for login. If you check my yesterday's video, then you can understand how to register and how to get this. Okay, now I'm going to creating a new account. So close this. Okay, so infinity free, it's which is giving forever 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and unlimited hosted domains. So if you are looking for premium like ultimate premium, super premium, and starter premier, and you have to pay yearly wise, see the bill value of that area. If you are planning to buy with your own domains names and all, then you can go for this, but remaining steps are same. So click on create now. Now you search for your domain name. So domain name I'm going to take tech mentor, and select the domain extensions techmentor.free.nf. So check that availability. So this is our account password. Then select email. So failure. So the moment I was selected, then it is disconnected my internet. We'll try to do it again. So do refresh once. So use reCAPTCHA instead. Select that Guys, wait for 5 to 10 minutes of time. Let it be installed, then we'll see later. I guys, still it's taking time for installing. If not done after 2 3 minutes, again you try one more time because it is a free version. I'm trying to install it. So now it's moving a little bit faster. So could you able to say this? Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. This is your site name. So something like this. I don't want this. This is your domain name, means website name, and this is your administrative URL. This what website name and admin URL. This one is admin URL. And when you scroll down, okay, this much is enough. Now I'll be going to return to WordPress management now. Just click on this and you can see what and all you have, all the platform here, and see the management of the themes, manage themes, manage plugins, and up to date. So click up to date. If you wanted to update automatically, you select it. If you don't want, you keep that as normal. So what I will be doing is I'll be taking for management sets. Okay, I don't want any management sets. So now directly I'll be taking this 1 minute admin URL. So take this and press enter key, and you write admin, and what was the password? I have to check now. This is a problem. select the admin. So put password admin itself. So save it. So now password has changed. So now I will be writing admin and you can see admin itself and click login. So from here you can start modifying your website. Okay, so in the left hand side you have a post. If you wanted to build a website after the registration of the domain, so after the installation of WordPress, then you have to construct and according to the business requirement, construct your web pages and add social means web content like images, video content, visualization content, whatever is required according to the business requirement. Make ensure that what is the project size of the website, how much pages is required, then what would be the header portion, what would be the footer portions, and what has to come in the middle of the page, and what will be the sales page. So that and all you have to plan early and you have to start creating as a developer. Okay, so now what I'll be doing, I'll be taking some of the overview like post, media, pages. If you wanted to create multiple pages, how we have done in the Google site, here also we have options for creating web pages. So by clicking add new pages, you can create multiple pages. And also you can take that content appearances is nothing but the themes. Okay, if you did not satisfy the themes of the website, so you can go for additional one. So right now the WordPress 6.6 is available, so you can go for updates. Okay, if you don't like any updates, then you directly you can search for new themes and you can apply the customization. So I'll be taking this into new themes and check out. These are the additional themes are available. Whichever themes you would like to applicable, you would like to apply, then you select. So as per that, the web page content and everything which are going to place